Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to unbox not just one, but two Spider-Man Beyond Amazing Marvel Heroclix play-at-home kits. Let's go! Okay, so as we said, we're going to look at the two play-at-home kits sent to us by WizKids. Thank you very much once again to WizKids for sending us these kits as part of the care package. And you can see here the top of the box where we have the web slinger himself, Spider-Man. And at the side, we have the play-at-home kit logo. And the other side, the same logo. Okay, and this is the first time that there are two play-at-home kits in a set for Heroclix, and rightfully so, because there are two very famous Spider-Man. We have, of course, Peter Parker Spider-Man and Miles Morales Spider-Man. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the original first, Peter Parker. So you can see that for play-at-home kits, what you see is what you get. We have a window to see what's inside the kit, which is a figure of Spider-Man and a symbiote, a Venom symbiote black. Okay, and at the back of the play-at-home kit number 1, we see a quick description. Swing into action with your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man in this exciting new play-at-home kit release. Play-at-home kits are a great way for players to get an awesome new character and map to match the Spider-Man Beyond Amazing set. Help Peter Parker uncover the mysteries of the alien symbiote while you swing and sling around brand new terrain. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. So aside from figures, we should expect as well a map and some other goodies from this particular play-at-home kit. Okay, so we have Spider-Man. Okay, so the sculpt is the same from the common and uncommon Spider-Man in the set, in the main set. So for example, I'll show you. This is from the main set, uncommon. So sculpt is the same, although the color scheme is a bit dark and the eyes, you can see, is a bit more focused for the play-at-home kit. Okay, I actually like this better because it's the dark blue version of the suit. Okay, so we also have here the symbiote, the black one. Okay, let's take a look at that. Okay, this is copyright 2016. Okay, this looks like the one released before. Okay, that's why it's 2016 perhaps. Okay, and then other parts of the kit, put it on the side. The character card. So we already see here some terrains. Okay, so let's take a look quickly at what these are. Okay, so I see objects and debris. Yeah, okay, so we have a new terrain markers. Okay, so this one is unique because 4 range, no giant reach. Okay, 3 damage for range plus 2 damage. Okay, if you're going to use it in close combat, so this is helpful. Okay, I can put it there, and then the rest of the items here are just also terrain objects, but these are hindering terrain. This is a blocking terrain, so hindering terrains, lots of terrains here. Okay, let's see, 1 by 2. And then this one also terrains, 1 by 1. We have a plant, a water fountain, What's this? A trash can. Okay, the trash can. Oh, is it? Oh no, it's a printer. +2 damage for close. And this one is an elevated terrain. Okay. +2 damage. Interesting. Okay. Especially the +2 damage, that's something that you might want to look at for your figures. Okay, and the last thing we see here should be the cards and the map. Okay, let's see. It's a bit hard to take out the tape, so we're gonna destroy the plastic. And we see here, okay, another object, sorry, forgot about this one. It's a chair. Okay, what does black means? Black border. So it's neither light or heavy. There's no more distinction. Okay. And we see the character cards. So character cards, let's take a look. So this is set number 99. Spider-Man family, reporter, scientist, keywords, wall crawler is a shared trait for most Spider-Man family figures. And a second trait, which is, oh no, what a time to run out of web fluid, incapacitate, and at the beginning of the game, give Spider-Man 4 web fluid tokens, free, remove a web fluid token to make an attack using incapacitate. So he can technically have 4 times to use incapacitate for free. Okay, which is good enough because a Heroclix match usually doesn't go beyond 4 turns anyway. Okay, so hypersonic, precision strike, super senses, and perplex on the top click. And of course, he will have the Spider-Man team ability that grants him super senses, but only on a 6. But he has a built-in super senses, so a 50% chance super senses for the Spider-Man. Really strong. And for the symbiote black, it has equipment S006. Indestructible, qualifying name is Venom. Okay, qualifying keywords symbiote. So you can equip it freely to those qualifying name and keywords. But anyone can equip it as long as you pay 10 points, and it grants steal energy and stealth. When this character uses steal energy, if a hit character is KO'd during the attack, heal 2 clicks instead. Okay, and these are the rules for assigning equipment. Okay, during game setup, equip this equipment to the assigned character. Okay, so that is the first one, and we see a map, Dockyard Outdoor, and the other map, meaning behind it, is the, let's see, what's the other one? Where's the name? There we go. The Daily Bugle Press Room Indoor. Okay, so an indoor and outdoor map, definitely something we will keep because this is the first time they're introducing the 2x2 map size. Okay, so that is the play-at-home kit of Spider-Man. Let's go now to the play-at-home kit of Miles Morales. Oops, let's read the brief description. Bring the Brooklyn-based web slinger to your table in an exciting new play-at-home kit release. Okay, and the same play-at-home kits are a great way for players to get an awesome new character and map to match the Spider-Man Beyond Amazing set. Help Miles Morales uncover the mysteries of the alien symbiote while you cling, climb, and crawl over brand new terrain. Okay, and you can see here we have Miles Morales with a semi-mask off, and we have a symbiote, a Carnage symbiote. Okay, Let's see what we have. The figure is here. Take a look at that. Okay, sculpt is amazing. And then we have the Carnage symbiote. Okay. It's also copyright 2016. Okay. And then let's go and take a look at what terrains are here. Are they the same as the previous ones or different? Let's find out. Okay, it's really hard to get them out. Oh, I already see it's different. Okay, so because we have a 2x2, the 2x2 blocking terrain. Okay. Debris. We have a 1x2 hindering. Okay, what is this? A chair. We have a blocking terrain cabinet. We have elevated terrain. We have a debris. We have a 1x1 hindering terrain. Oh, this grants 6 range. That's nice. Okay. So, and of course, the last one should be the map and the character cards. Let's take a look. The map here is Oscorp Warehouse Outdoor Indoor. That's interesting. Outdoor Indoor map. We're not gonna open it. We'll probably just take a screenshot for your use. And then, ooh, the other one is the construction site outdoor. Okay. And finally, the character cards. Let's take a look. He is set number 98. Avengers, Champion, Spider-Man, Family, and Ultimates keywords. Has the Spider-Man team ability and the team player team ability as well. Wall Crawler is the shared trait. Another trait is Venom Punch. Incapacitate when Miles Morales uses it. After resolutions, deal a single hit character damage equal to their printed damage value. So they're printed? After resolutions, deal a single hit character damage equal to their printed damage value. So not your damage value, okay, but their printed damage value. That's nice. So he has stealth, poison, super senses, and close combat expert on the top click, and then 4 range, 2 targets. Okay, and no other ability. And the symbiote red, okay, is S007, indestructible, qualifying name Carnage or keyword symbiote, and 10 points if you want to equip it to anyone. Blades, Claws, Fangs, Steel Energy. If this character can already use Steel Energy, they instead heal 1 click for each damage character. So which works out well for Miles because he doesn't have Steel Energy. So at least it grants him Steel Energy and Blades, Claws, Fangs. So because he has low damage at 3. Interesting. Okay, so that's the play at home kits. Let's do a quick comparison and see which ones is better, Spider-Man or Miles. I would go with I would say Miles, okay, because this trait is a bit interesting that you're dealing damage equal to their printed damage value. So Miles win that battle. For the symbiote, I'd go with the black symbiote because it grants stealth, and stealth can be very powerful. Okay, especially now you're able to put terrains, so you can really strategically put use stealth, okay, in your match. Okay, so this goes for the black symbiote. In terms of maps, I would say I like outdoor maps. So this one is better for me because it has outdoor, indoor, and outdoor map on both sides, whereas this one only have one outdoor map area. The other one is indoor. So the Miles map OP kit wins. And for the objects, I would say I'd go with Miles. Okay. Because of the 2x2. Okay. And I was surprised with this 6 range. There's also 6 range here. Okay, but still, I'll go with this one. Because most of the kits here, terrains here are hindering terrain only. And there's a lot more variety for Miles OP kit. Okay, so but in any case, if you can get a hold of both OP kits, that would be the win-win scenario. So grab not just one, but 2 play-at-home OP kits of the Spider-Man Beyond Amazing set. Bye-bye!